Hello, welcome. This is Cryptos Chain with simple cryptocurrency news. Today I'm going to talk to you about some positive news and as well as some negative news which are going on in the market right now. Let's get right in. As always, I check NEO News today and I'll present to you what's going on in the NEO ecosystem. Now, NEL announces a strategic partner with Gex.com and aims to build a NEO-based token gaming ecosystem. This was posted today. Now, I'm actually going to read through this because it's quite short. So, China-based NEO developer community NEO Econolabs, so NEL, has announced a strategic partnership with blockchain game asset trading platform Gex.com. The partnership is hoped to encourage the development of a NEO-based token gaming ecosystem. Now, Gex.com is the world's first asset exchange and service platform focusing on the vertical fields for blockchain games and aims to reduce the barrier to entry into blockchain games by allowing for the off-chain transfer of game assets backed by tokens. To begin, Gex.com will integrate NEO Name Services NNS, a domain name service created by NEL that allows the registration of .neo domain names. These domains can be mapped to any public address, allowing users to send receive tokens using a simple alias. Now, this is hoped to improve the overall user experience of blockchain and to help prevent errors that may occur when typing the full public address. Now, Gex.com will receive their own exclusive NEO domain names such as xxx.gex.neo for free as part of the arrangement. Gex.com also advocates the development of a multiple token economy and will work with NEL to promote the use of NEO-based tokens in blockchain games. As part of the agreement, Gex.com will encourage the circulation of gas and NNC in the high-quality blockchain games. Players will be able to use gas and NNC in these games in addition to receiving them and other digital tokens as part of the multiple token economic model. NEL and Gex.com will work jointly to explore the growth and monetization of blockchain game internet traffic under this model. So you can find out more information if you check NEO Name Services Twitter page, website, and as well as the NEO Econolabs Twitter page and website. So yeah, we are seeing more and more blockchain games coming into fruition, right? Where they're starting development now, all these partnerships are coming together. We're seeing it with NEO, we're seeing it with Ontology. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see when they're gonna start. We're really looking forward to that, we are at the early stages, of course, but it just shows you that they've got all these different ways of using or making use of their tokens. For example, the NNC token, which is NEO Name Services token. Right, to move on to the next piece of news from NEO News today, O3 Labs pushes the ledger and wallet management flow improvements in the desktop wallet update. So O3, of course, is the mobile wallet where you can store your NEO and Ontology tokens. So they're going to be pushing some new updates, which is the core changes will focus on the user experience by improving the flow of adding wallets and importing addresses from a Ledger device. Now, in addition, Ledger performance has been improved. We're seeing the O3's decentralized API messaging protocol, which has also been updated with support for the NEO blockchain. The protocol is designed to let any dApp creator connect to O3 users in a secure way by allowing users to authorize payment for goods and services through sign-in transactions using the private key stored on their O3 wallet. This approach is already used for O3 Switcho integration, which allows users to access the Switcho exchange without manually providing their private keys to the service. The O3 Labs team has also been working on an NEP for a standardized protocol interface between NEO dApp developers and dApp API platform providers. The team also tweaked the send flow for watch addresses, which allows users to easily monitor any other NEO public address when attempting to send funds from these watched addresses. Users will be prompted to provide the corresponding private key. So that's cool, right? They're allowing the dApps to use the O3 mobile wallet to be able to do all these transactions, which is great because this gives more accessibility of the O3 mobile wallet. And as we know, they haven't officially announced it yet unless you actually go to the O3 mobile app and you check the news section, but they are going to create a fiat gateway in the O3 mobile wallet where you'll be able to purchase NEO directly with fiat, which is pretty cool. Because at the moment you need to create an account on websites such as Coinbase, for example, or Bitstamp, deposit to buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum on there, then send them over to an exchange, for example, Binance or KuCoin, then get some NEO from there and then send your NEO to your wallet. So Yeah, it is quite complex. Whereas with O3, you'll just be able to do that one-time purchase directly from the O3 wallet. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just talking about the feature and the possibilities that they're opening for the wider market. Now, to continue on to more news from Neo News today, and this is about DeepBrain Chain. So the last news that we read about DeepBrain Chain were about the partnerships that they're getting, and that they got like an investment of around $150 million, if I'm not mistaken. And now DeepBrain Chain are going to launch the first wave of AI mining machines. Okay, and they're going to offer AI training net trial rewards. So what is that all about? So DeepBrain Chain plans to push the first round of artificial intelligence miners online pretty soon, and is offering a free trial to the DeepBrain Chain AI training net. DeepBrain Chain is developing a global network of AI computing and storage nodes using distributed ledger technology. Following the announcement of its partnership with Fuji and Dragon AI Cloud Computing Center, okay, these are the guys that are making that big investment. The first round of AI miners will be dispatched across the globe with the exception of mainland China. So the DBC AI mining machines serve as a fully fledged AI server specialized for AI computing that combine mining incentives with high performance GPUs suitable for AI training. DBC aims to be released in models that range from decentralized AI data storage nodes to 2 GPU, 4 GPU, and 8 GPU cloud servers. Of course, the full article can be accessed below, and you can also take part in their training, which is from November 21st through to December 31st. DeepBrain Chain is offering an equivalent of 500 DBC tokens to new users of the DBC AI training net. Participants will be able to participate if they operate between 1 and 8 DAC AIMs. So yeah, if you want to participate, please do register on the link below. This is how it actually looks, okay? This is a free trial campaign, and if you want to participate, you need to register an account, fill out the form, and if you're happy with that, you can also you may qualify for an additional 6-hour free trial. So you need to follow these rules here to be eligible. Of course, you can find out more information on the user manual, their website, Twitter post, Telegram, etc. And some negative news from the NEO community. Aphelion, right? The second DEX that was deployed on the NEO blockchain, which was a wallet, a mobile wallet where you can store your NEO assets, and had an integrated DEX. Now, they were supposed to launch a mobile DEX, but unfortunately the bad news came. You know, a lot of people got burned, unfortunately, but that's the way it is with cryptocurrency investments. Even the projects that seem the most promising, you know, they close down, and it's just an example here. So Aphelion closes the mainnet DEX. Of course, the CEO has actually confirmed that they're not actually closing down the project, they're just disabling trading due to the SEC regulations and what they've done with Ether Delta and other projects, other ICOs. So yeah, they're pretty much saying here that Ian Holtz, the Aphelion CEO, released a statement announcing that the Aphelion mainnet DEX would cease trading effective immediately, and the CEO urged that Aphelion users should cancel any open orders and withdraw tokens from any contract DEX balances back into their wallets. Holtz also noted that users who committed Aphelion tokens for the P2P feed redistribution program should claim those assets back to their wallets. The team doesn't plan to disable the commit feature anytime soon, but if they do, Aphelion claims they will automatically be processed on behalf of the users. So since Aphelions launch on October 10, just under 3,500 Aphelion tokens had been collected in fees, of which around 80% had been redistributed to those who committed Aphelion. About 700 Aphelion in organizational fees have been collected, which will either remain in the smart contract until mainnet is live again or burned. Additionally, any gas that's been accrued by those who have fractions of NEO on the contract will be manually airdropped to users. So yeah, like I was saying, you can read through this if you're interested. I'm not going to read through the whole statement. It's quite long. But yeah, basically he's saying that it's to do with the SEC rulings, and they're not sure what they're going to do. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what to make of it. It is risky, to be fair. I don't see them coming back. I'll tell you the truth. I don't see them coming back simply because I don't think that the SEC could have closed them down, because they were registered in St. Kitts, which is a small island in the Pacific. Their offices are in Barcelona, Spain. So I don't know if they have anything to do with the United States apart from allowing United States traders to actually trade on their decentralized exchange. But other than that, I don't know. They have had some other problems. For example, listing the security token NEX and allowing trades with that. I thought that was a bit risky. Of course, the next team, the City of Zion team, didn't actually comment anything. But then there were some other problems with Tor, which was another token that was listed on their exchange. The Tor team didn't want them to list the token yet because they were looking to get some regulations. They were pending some approvals from the SEC, I believe. And yeah, unfortunately, because of that, Thor got annoyed with them. They threatened to sue them. They threatened some lawsuit, and they also said that Nex are apparently they've opened a lawsuit against Aphelion behind the scenes, but they haven't made it official. So I don't know. That was a red alert for me, to be honest. That was something that you can't really trust, especially because if you want to build partnerships, why can't you be transparent? Why can't you just wait on the guys? If the guys asked you nicely to wait and not list, why are you listing? So yeah, I didn't like that part from Aphelion. I thought that was a bad move. That's not how you build relationships and trust. So yeah, unfortunately, this is what happened, and this could be one of the reasons why they actually closed down. And on top of that, of course, they were scared of the SEC. So let's see what happens. Now we're gonna go through more news, but before that, I just want to go through coin market cap. So yeah, unfortunately, Bitcoin took a big dump, and so did the rest of the market. As we can see, a lot of red across the board. Only $120 billion in the total market cap of cryptocurrency in total. Cardano's down a lot, Litecoin's down a lot, everything's down pretty much, everything. Even NEO, I mean $7.13, that is quite low. So yeah, that's a big question. Now, are we going to see anything? Are we going to see the market recover? I don't know. It's very hard to tell. At least it's not going to recover this year. That's my opinion. I don't think it's going to happen this year. I've been following a lot of traders like Tone Vase discussing it, and Nick Core, and these guys have been saying that it is possible we're going to see a $3,000 BTC. I mean, it has touched just under 3,500 in the last 24 hours. Now it went back up a bit. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm not a trader myself, so yeah, this I'm just going by the news and what I'm reading through and what I'm watching. Now, some other news from CoinOunce.com. So here they're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency markets crashing with huge volumes. And it's interesting because they're saying here that the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing waves of crashing. Okay, so we know that the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies went below $120 billion, which earlier this year had crossed the market cap of Apple, which right now lies around 747 billion. In just the last 24 hours, more than 23 billion have been dumped from cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the price is sliding below and breaking all the support levels. A $3,000 price is not far away, as Bitcoin has already lost over 16% since yesterday. Bitcoin is currently trading at the price of August last year before the bull started to gain momentum, taking the price up to $20,000. But the same bulls are not being predicted this year, as according to analysts, the price will fall further down to around the $2,500 $3,000 range. So that is quite low. That's what the analysts are predicting. Just keep that in mind before you plan on buying more, or even with trading. I'm not a trading expert, like I said, but if the analysts are predicting it, everything is possible, unless we see some amazing news, which is going to be a game changer in the whole space. Ethereum price has fallen down as well from the major support level of $100, which was the last hope for hodlers. Large Ethereum sell-offs are being experienced on exchanges, especially BitMEX. Most of the sell-offs are being predicted to be from ICO owners. Ethereum is currently trading at the lowest price that Ethereum has experienced more than a year and a half ago. Analysts also predicted the major ICO sell-off will start once the price reaches below $100, which is already reached now. Of course, altcoins. So altcoins are following the giants, as all top 100 coins on CoinGecko are colored red. Stellar, being the biggest loser, is trading below 14 cents, losing over 24% in the last 24 hours. Zcash, Tezos, all have been crushing sharply over 21%. All major altcoins, including Tron and NEO, are trading at yearly lows. Even the most controversial stablecoin Tether is down by 0.74%. So yeah, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization has declined over 16% in just the last 24 hours, with a $23 billion dump. Yesterday, the cryptocurrency market cap was around 140 billion, and today it lies around 117 billion. So yeah, it just tells you, that's the situation that we're in. And also some news about all there is to know on cryptocurrency trading bots and what their role is. So I do suggest you read that. It's quite an interesting article. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but they're basically saying that a lot of these trading bots were used in 2017 when the bull market started to make life easier for traders, so they don't have to spend time in front of their computers all day, and they could just let these bots run and make a lot of profit. They're saying that the integration of the more advanced software tools for trading with progress in machine learning and decentralized exchanges should further expand on the development of trading bots in the industry. So yeah, we are going to see more trading bots for DEXs, for example. And also one other interesting thing in this article here was about the Korean exchange. Let me just go down a bit and talk about that. No, sorry, I don't think it was in this article actually. No, they were just talking about a lot of these trading bots being used in Korean exchanges because it basically brought a lot of profit to them. So yeah. One moment, let me see if I can find that. Okay, so no, that's not in this piece of news, sorry. In the last piece of news that I wanted to cover, so the entire cryptocurrency and blockchain space is now worth less than McDonald's, right? This is what I wanted to talk about. So how do you like it? The entire cryptocurrency market is now worth less than the McDonald's fast food franchise. So following the persistent price drop of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the entire digital asset market is worth less than a company that serves Big Macs, French fries, and other low quality eats. This creates a real dilemma in the sense that while McDonald's may not be good for you, people still resort to the local drive-thru if they are feeling rushed and hungry at the same time. They're not likely to be any nutritional value to what one consumes, yet it somehow gets the job done in their minds. Don't people understand the crypto's benefits? So yeah, they're just talking about that, and they're comparing the fact that the prices went up a lot last year. Now they've crashed. Yeah, I mean this is the situation we're in. And the volatility, of course, is one of the biggest issues. So they are talking about that. They are saying that merchants are probably less likely to invest, considering that if they buy something which is worth $4,400 today, it may be worth $4,100 tomorrow, and they'd be incurring a $300 loss, which isn't something that they want to do. Of course, it can go the other way around. Of course, it can go up, but yeah, and some positivity remains in the space because we've got a South Korean technology firm called YGG Drash, which they've announced the plans to launch a cryptocurrency exchange and blockchain incubation center. So yeah, a lot of these we're seeing all these companies appearing out of nowhere trying to launch exchanges, probably because they heard they can make a lot of money with an exchange. So yeah, they are trying. But let's see how things go. I know it's not the right time to remain positive, but we have to try and remain positive. We have been in this space for a while. Personally, I've been in it since 2017. Some of you have been in it longer. You've witnessed more things happening. You've witnessed a lot of volatility. I do think the prices are going to come back. We just need some more regulation. We need some SEC ruling. We need backed. We need more, and then we will be seeing some mass adoption eventually. This is tough to go through, but you have to be strong. You have to remain here. It's just like any other investment. You know that if you sell now, you're going to be wrecked pretty much. So if you are holding, the best thing you can do is just hold. That's what all the experts are saying. Cool. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate that so you're kept up to date with all the latest information that I do. Also, please leave a comment below if you have any sort of questions. Don't forget to like my video and follow me on Twitter as well. And also, before I go, I just want to say that for Black Friday, Ledger Nano S is reduced by 50%. You will find the link in the description below this video. You don't have to click the link if you don't want to, but it will help my channel grow. It will help me gain some benefits if you're using my referral link. Thank you very much for that once again. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Lovely day. Goodbye.